Hey everyone, and welcome to my new channel. I started this channel as a step-by-step vlog on how I'm going to turn $100 into $1 million. I will use three methods to make money. Two of them are option trading. One is going to be buying calls. Two is going to be buying puts. Buying a call is when you think the stock price is going to rise. Buying a put is when you think the stock price is going to go down. The last one, number three, is going to be equity trading. That's when you actually buy the stock itself, hopefully low, and turn around and sell it higher for a profit. I have downloaded the app Webull, and I'm going to use that to trade stocks and trade options. I have already deposited $100 into the account and it has settled. It is considered a cash account. Therefore, I can day trade as much as I want on settled funds. I'm going to use that to make smaller purchase, smaller calls, smaller puts, until I get enough money into that, until I can make bigger calls. Stocks like Tesla, Amazon, those kinds of things that takes a few $1,000s for one contract. Start out small and then go bigger as we go on. The other way is to buy multiple contracts at one time. But to start out, I'm going to buy one contract at a time, make a few dollars, learn the stock market, and then go forward and be a little bit crazier and be a little bit more risky with my investments. Side note, Webull gives you free stocks when you sign up using a referral account. Not only does it give you free stocks, it also gives me free stocks. Down in the description, I put a link. If you want to sign up for a Webull account yourself and try using the stock market to make some money, do that and it will give you free stocks as well as myself. I would greatly appreciate that. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. I do not have a degree in finance. I've never day traded before. This is my first time. I really know very little to the stock market. I have a 401k through my work. I've dabbled a little bit of stocks here and there in various companies I've worked for, but I've never truly day traded. So this is something that's new to me. So everything I do is not financial advice. It's just me trying out new things, taking on new challenges, and trying to make that $1 million that I want to make. Now, did I just blow your mind? Are you thinking, how is a guy with no experience, no education, no nothing going to go ahead and make $1 million? Well, the biggest tip that's going to help me is I joined an investment group called Team Bull Trading. Team Bull Trading is a Discord group that does a lot of the stock market analysis for you and gives you calls on a daily basis. And it tells you exactly, what you're going to take, what they're going to take. And it's advice, it's not financial advice necessarily, it's stuff that they're looking to do. Now, these guys are $1 million makers. One of the gentlemen, he made $1 million in the month of November this year. So taking advice from them, learning the procedures, learning how to make money moves, to me is well worth it. If there is a monthly cost to it, I believe it's $75 a month. But in one trade, you can make that $75 back, and everything else from then on out is going to be pure profit. So I think it's very well worth it to me. If Team Bull Trading interests you and you want to join an investment group as well, if the information that you see that I'm providing you guys is of value, I would highly consider going into Instagram, following Team Bull Trading 303, and then signing up for their Discord server. The Discord link is below, as well as the Instagram account. And try it out for a month, try it out for 2 months, see how you like it, see how you like day trading, see if you like their calls and their puts and what they do every day. There's a weekly watch list, a daily watch list, and I would say 70 to 90% of the time, they are right on the money. Now, there's always risk involved. Sometimes their calls don't pan out. That's why you have such a thing as stop losses, to go ahead and get out when the getting's good and then make money and let it ride when you're there making money. It only takes one successful day trade per day to make your entire day. One trade could be anywhere to $100 to $5,000 or even more. One guy made $103,000 off of a $3,000 option in this group. So you could be a millionaire too. Is the content that I'm going to give you interesting to you? Does it pique your interest? Are you looking to do something similar? Well, then what I would do is I would go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications. And what I'm going to do is on a weekly basis, I'm going to post a video of the trades I made in that week. I'm going to give you a step-by-step analysis of my account, my profits and losses, and to show my journey to $1 million. I'm not going to take out any money. until the $1 million mark is hit. And I'm going to keep on playing. Now, for the off chance that I lose all my money in something, I stop loss didn't hit or whatever that may be, I'm going to restart over with $100. But I'm going to let you know. I'm going to let you know all the profits that I make and all the losses that I take, because not every day could be a green day. You do have some red days, and there are some days where you won't even trade at all. You might have a meeting at work, you might have a time with your family that you can't attend, and that's okay. But knowing when to cut your losses and knowing when to let your wins ride is very key, and that's a lot of the psychology to day trading. Not only am I going to post a weekly video on all the trades I made throughout the week, how much money I made, my profits and losses, and my account standing for every single week, I'm also going to upload various videos. Why I use Webull versus Robinhood versus TD Ameritrade, why I do one contract versus 10, you know, those kinds of things, step by step that I've got going on. What am I going to do with $1 million? All those videos will come up later. But right now, I'm just going to focus on getting into day trading, finding out what it is, finding out the pros and cons, and the psychology behind day trading. So a weekly video is going to be released showing everything that I'm going through in order to make $1 million. Hopefully this is a start to a very exciting adventure. I hope I piqued your interest again, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope you hit that bell notification. For me to take $100 and turn it into $1 million, I think that's going to be phenomenal. I'm going to kind of follow that red paperclip story where the guy traded the red paperclip all the way for the house. I'm going to take little small leaps, and then eventually they're going to be big jumps and then gigantic jumps, you know, but we're going to take it a step at a time. We're going to set ourselves goals and we'll make it happen. It might take a year, it might take 3, it might take 5. I don't know, but I'm going to make $1 million off of day trading. So again, subscribe to my channel. My next video is going to be on my first week's worth of trading. It's going to show, hopefully I make a profit. We'll see what happens and we'll go from there. Thanks again, guys, for watching my video. Thanks. Hopefully you subscribed, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.